Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I want to make some pork schnitzel, and it's very simple. There's nothing difficult to it at all. And I took 2 boneless pork chops and pounded them thin. So they're gonna cook quickly, but I want to season them up. And all I'm doing, I'm using very simple salt and pepper, and then we're going to run it through some beaten egg and into a seasoned breadcrumb. And I'm going to go ahead and get my skillet going. I've got just a light coat of oil in the bottom of this skillet. There may be maybe a 1/4 cup of oil, and that's going to push it. You just want your bottom coated. So I'm salt and pepper these pork chops. Now, I'm using seasoned breadcrumbs, so I think that's going to be delicious. It's going to be real simple, and that's all there is to it. Let me wash my hands. So I've got my seasoned breadcrumbs, and I'm going to put them in my dish here. That may be too much for 2 pork chops. Can you see the little flecks of parsley in there? Isn't that pretty? Now, they come in it. If you don't have seasoned breadcrumbs, it's very simple. Get plain breadcrumbs, or you can take some stale stale bread and whir it up in your food processor till it's just real fine, and throw you some dried parsley in it. You can use fresh if you have it. I don't have any fresh at the moment. And if you want a seasoning on it, you can definitely do that. And you know, I'm thinking I'm going to take a little extra step. Give me a second here while I'm thinking about it. This is going to be good. I have some shredded parmesan. Let's put some of that in there. What do you say? We're just going to put a little bit, a couple of tablespoons. It's going to be good. Let's mix that up. I love parmesan, and I don't see where it can hurt anything, do you? Okay, now I have a couple of eggs that I've beaten here, and I just added a splash of water, and not even a tablespoon of water, but beat them up real good. And so let's make sure our oil is hot. It is, y'all. I've told you it doesn't take long for it to get hot in this skillet. We're going to run it through some egg wash. You don't have to have it heavy in the egg wash. And we're going to run it in our breadcrumbs. Pack it on there. You want a good coating, and it's just going to make it delicious. That's all it's going to do. Yeah, we're having some rainy days, and we've really needed the rain here in central Alabama. It's, you can see through my window there, we had a little sunshine right now, but we're expecting some storms today, this afternoon. Okay, you see, can you see that pork chop? Now I'm going to put it right here in this skillet. Careful putting it in there because you don't want to splash that hot oil on you. I'm going to run this one back through. So I'm going to get this coated, and I'm going to get it in this skillet, and we're going to fry this. I don't know. It don't take long, 3 or 4 minutes on each side. These are so thin that they won't take long to cook. So, and I'm going to come back and show you what they look like, okay? Yeah, I want you to see these pork chops. Looky here. If I don't tear up the breading, that's so pretty. Looky there. Can you see that? I'm going to set them out on my plate here. There. I want you to see this. All its deliciousness. And this is, see how quick Guys, this didn't take 3 or 4 minutes on each side. And you can get thin cut pork chops. And if you don't find thin cut pork chops, just do like I did. I put it between some parchment paper. You can use a plastic. I've done a plastic Ziploc bag. Put it in there. I used my rolling pin, or if you've got a meat pounder, use that. And I just pounded it thin, just to the thickness, and the thinner it is, the quicker it'll cook. And you can have dinner done for your family in no time. Looky there. See how pretty that is? My goodness. Now, I'm setting this aside because Miss Stephanie's coming over in just a few minutes, and we're going to make a delicious spinach salad with some fried goat cheese. So I've been promising her we'd do it, and today's the day. So y'all stay tuned for that because that'll be in an upcoming video. See you soon, everybody.